Well, hello friends, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2024 Road Glide with black finish. We had some custom pinstriping done on this bad boy. Coming around to the front, that white on the Billiard gray looks amazing. 117 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. There's some more of that pinstriping going on. Intake and the floorboards and brake pedal, even onto the passenger peg. Added some blue in there for a little contrast. 12.3 inch screen. All touch screen, of course. You have a USB pocket right here too to hook up your phone. This is Apple CarPlay compatible. ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, all the controls. Come down and check the bike out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you got any questions about the bike or you'd like to set up an appointment, give us a call. Our number here, 920-498-8822.